Look at that.
Farhan, how you doing, brother?
How you doing? Good, yeah?
Respect, man. Thank you so much for coming down.
No worries, no worries.
Whoa, two
Pleasure.
big Tesco's in Slough. We're filming your Porsche 991 Turbo.
Yeah,
guys, like,
slow one.
listen, I'm a massive fan. I'm not going to lie. That is a sexual looking car, man. 991 Turbo in black. What is it, a Gen 2 or?
Gen 2, yeah, Gen 2.
Fuck, man, bro, it's just perfection. What did you pay for it?
Just under 120
Okay,
when I bought
120,
it.
yeah? This is running some decent power.
Yeah, 800 wheel, I would say it's a WS 800 package, as the way it calls it. And
Yeah, so wrench sauce, bitches, is that what you call it? Something like that? I
Wrench
don't know.
sauce, that's it.
I've heard something like that. So this is a wrench build,
This is wrench sauce, yeah,
So
that's it.
800
This is
wheel.
wrench wheel, that's it, yeah.
So what are the mods then? So you say it's 800 wheel. What does that
So
include then? What did
For
what did
this
they
kind
do?
of power, I'm running meth
Right.
to keep it safe because the engine, the gearbox, everything's stock.
Mm-hmm.
You know the stock VTGs. People who know
The turbos,
Porsche,
yeah?
they will know, yeah,
Yeah.
the VTG turbos that come on these cars, these gens.
Yeah.
That's been reworked by wrench.
Right. So they're like
So-
hybrid now, basically.
Yeah, but they're not full frame, no, you know, off the shelf big
Yeah.
turbos, nothing like that. And that's why it really loaded on KWs.
right.
And yeah, that's
So it's
about
pretty,
it, really.
pretty nothing too.
That's about it.
Yeah.
But custom exhaust as well.
Custom exhaust.
Straight through.
Yeah.
You'll hear it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sound
you
nice?
haven't heard it yet?
No,
Yeah,
not yet.
Joe liked it as well.
Bro,
yeah.
I'm in love with this car. I'm not gonna lie,
Yeah?
man. Yeah, bro. The spec. Look at the colour of the seats. No tints as well.
No tints as well. I like to roll like that.
Man, God, I don't know if you got a seeing it under here, but something else. So you say these wheels don't come like this as well? You had a
Oh no,
colour
they
change.
come diamond cut.
Okay, sorry.
And you might see a lot of people that are running big power. They might run lightweight wheels.
Right.
But I shared my dragger with you. You know the times that
Yeah, yeah,
doing
yeah,
right
yeah.
now, so-
Some.
I didn't really need those.
Mm.
When I get it built, it'll do the kind of times that I'm aiming for when we take it further. So right now these wheels are fine. They come from factory, as light as they are. They do the job.
What tyres are we running?
So the fronts are stock Pirellis, P0s. Yeah, not
Yeah.
as good, but
Yeah.
they do the job. The rears are R888s.
Okay. So
Yeah.
is it the rears you need to focus on for tyre choices? or-
Yeah, depending on what power it's putting down. At this power level, I reckon personally from my driving feel, I think on the rears R888 perfect.
Stock ECU or?
Stock ECU.
Stock
as well.
ECU?
Yeah, stock
Who's it
ECU as
tuned
well.
by?
It's been calibrated by Ray himself at Wrench.
Okay.
Halim's work on tune with Ray.
HGP.
Yeah, HCP.
Okay.
So whatever cars they work on
Yeah.
it together. It's basically the same, yeah.
Okay, so stock ECU and it made 800 wheel on pump, was that? Like V-Power?
That's
99?
pump, yeah. So I've got, before I had meth and reworked turbos, it was doing 4.5, 4.6. On pump it does 4.1,
Wow, on pump.
4.1, 4.2, yeah.
And you know your meth, is the tune reliant on the meth or is it just a cooling aid?
Cooling aid.
Just a cooling aid.
Yeah.
So we don't need it.
No,
but
no. That's why
ideally-
when I turn it up with race fuel,
Yeah.
as you saw, 3.8.
So that's what it does with 3738 on race fuel.
On race
yeah?
fuel meth.
With meth.
On race fuel, yeah, that's it.
Yeah, this was the car that I was considering before the GTR.
Oh,
believe it
the
or not.
GTR, yeah.
So for me, it was like buy a cheaper car, like a GTR 30,
Yeah.
40 grand, and then
Yeah.
spend it probably roughly the same.
To
I
be
know
honest-
like, you're going to hold its value.
Yeah,
the
of
Porsche
course,
still.
it holds its value. And to be honest, if you might have seen some big packages on it and seen the
Yeah.
the figures that you have to pay for that. To be honest, you don't really have to spend that much on them
Right.
because I looked into all that was being done by Wrench on this, and I
Yeah.
looked at what parts was needed and stuff like that. It wasn't that much, to be honest.
So how much are you in so far? Can you say? No?
Yeah, probably I would say 20.
20, yeah?
Yeah, for this power level. Yeah,
That's
maybe a bit lower than that.
It's not bad, is
Maybe
it?
18-ish.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that. That's about it.
And how long has it been running these mods?
It's been 2 months now.
2 months.
Yeah.
Any niggles?
Nothing.
Been sweet?
Not at all.
You daily driving it?
Yeah. Pretty much. I put quite a lot of miles on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, quite a lot of miles on
Okay. Alright, fine. Should we jump out?
it. Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Let's go.
Let's do it,
Yeah,
man.
let's do it.
Right, check out the latest competition car, the 660 horsepower BMW M4. You can literally win it for just £4.99. Now, most of you will know that this whole LLF Games journey began with my own personal M4, but I can tell you the spec on this thing actually trumps my car. So, firstly, this car has been built by Evolve Automotive with over £30,000 in modifications. Starting off with pure stage 2 hybrid turbochargers, it's running Bilstein suspension, upgraded 20-inch alloy wheels. We've got upgraded AP Racing radical brakes. I'll never be able to go over the full spec in this video, but we've got a Varo carbon fiber, we've got the sunroof option, 7-speed dual clutch transmission, and this car runs no meth, no ethanol, no race fuel, literally V-Power 99 RON, 660 horsepower. Ticket link in the description where you can get the full spec on this car, and I'll put you back into the video. That is a violent launch control, people. Are you mad? We're shooting on the DSLRs today. If something's out of focus or the lighting's a little off, I'm just trying something new. Last time I was filming the GoPro, the last night feature, there was a lot of noise and weird lighting. So as I say, main DSLRs might be a little bit shakier than usual. But yeah, man, definitely want to start dialing in these night features. I mean, I've got a small experience with a Porsche Turbo in not as wet as this, but I come off a roundabout. It was a Gen 1 991. Completely stock. Yeah. And as I exited, I sort of was on the throttle and it snapped from the rear, man. But you're in a Gen 2, as I say, could be like a bit more dialed in than the...
Yeah, the rear wheel steering that it's got. So it's forward steering, right? So when you go into corners quick, you do feel the rear tyres being controlled as well. I personally think that makes a difference. I've got a rear wheel drive mode on this as well. Yeah. So if I put this...
What, it goes into rear wheel mode?
Yeah.
Serious?
Yeah, so we can
get the tyres warm.
Yeah, if you want it to kick out, it will if I do that.
But that's custom, right?
Yeah,
yeah. Hell, bro. Let's go left. Bro, that is flipping quick, man. Mental, innit? Yeah, the grip, what the flip? Bro, that has got traction for jokes, hasn't it?
Yeah.
What is it? Obviously, because these cars are mid-engine, so you've got a lot of traction over the rear axle.
But it's all about how it's dialed in terms of the tune, the suspension, you know, stuff like that. I mean, those are...
Oh yeah, you got the KWs.
Yeah, I got the KWs as well, so I got them custom set up by Wrench. They're off-the-shelf products, but the way it's set up is try to test it on the road to see which is the
traction,
best.
Yeah? Man wants to feel that Porsche power now, bro. Got a little dual carriageway, so guys, pull straight. Now here we go, lads. Bro,
you see the brakes?
Yeah.
I let it to the end.
Yeah, no, man. I was like, yo.
They don't mess about the ceramics.
Bro. Hell. It's the exact same power in each gear. Madness. Yeah. See, now we're on a longer straight, I can gauge the power a bit more now. And yeah, that's definitely an easy 900, isn't it? Bro, I feel a bit sick. Right, you can feel how planted it is, isn't it? It's glued to the road. And I mean, like, for the conditions, like, I don't feel unsafe, do you know what I mean? Like, I feel, I can trust the car.
You feel in control. When you're driving, you'll see.
Yeah, I mean, this is enough. As a street car, like, bloody hell, how much more power could you need? I know about these Porsches anyway, man. Yeah, like, the tuners are sick, but, bro, the credit's got to go to Porsche, mainly.
You know the chrono here? The clock, Porsche clock that you see? Well, from what I've seen, all the other Porsches that you see that are tuned, and have meth and stuff, they've got a meth gauge in there.
Yeah, that's right, I've seen,
I don't like that, because I think that is the beauty of Porsche, that clock there. Why would you take it off and put a I don't know.
A meth control.
Yeah, cheap meth controller in there.
So these are 7-speed dual clutches, or?
7-speed, yeah.
Dual clutch, PDK, and you mentioned off camera, you got this scramble mode, so like
it's a scramble mode, so Porsche from factory comes with a scramble mode where you press it. If it's a stock car, it gives you the extra few PSIs, and then, you know, for drag races and stuff like that, for
motorway pulls,
that's
car randomly pulls up.
Yeah.
Jeez. Stuck, innit?
It's probably shooting big flames right now.
Yeah. So has there been like software for the gearbox as well, or
TCU tune, yeah.
and stock clutches,
Everything.
stock engine?
Yeah, that's it.
Just turbos, exhaust.
Nothing open, nothing touched.
And just set of R888Rs. And I mean, if this car's putting power down in this kind of weather, bro, flipping out. What's it gonna do in the dry, man? Jesus. Wow.
You see,
Bro,
in
this
the corner.
yams up the road. Yeah, no, I felt that.
You felt that?
Yeah, it was like leaning a bit, innit?
And it held it again.
Yeah, I've driven so many rear wheel cars. I'm like, oh, I'm always thinking of the worst case, innit?
Yeah,
I'm always
yeah.
ready to catch. But you're saying you've not had that in this. It's always kept you straight, yeah?
Yeah.
Porsche turbo drive, guys.
Yeah.
Have we ever had a Porsche turbo on the channel? I don't think we've had even a 997. Yeah, I reckon we go manual, man. Wow. Got a usable throttle, innit? Wow. Wow, I can't believe the straight line stability, bro. Like, it's staying so level.
Yeah, you see that? Yeah.
And it feels very focused, like. And,
Instant.
Instant power,
Yeah,
innit?
yeah.
You're not waiting for a turbo.
No,
it's
not
like the
at all.
turbos literally are.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Small, didn't they?
Feel that.
Bro, the way this is eating up the road. Guys, this is like next level. What's it riff to?
Oh, I'm 7. I'm loving it. Fuck it out.
First get, my God, the handling. Flipping hell. My God. I know these roads, man, it's alright.
That's in front.
Whoa! You know what it is? I'm not even like trying to like. It's easy. Like it does it, innit? For Joe.
That's what I'm saying. You don't have to be scared about it.
And I mean, considering the weather, like.
Oh, there you go.
No. Guys, just initial feedback. Obviously, it's quick, but it feels controllable. Like I can see clearly. Like, you know, some cars it starts to you start to get this kind of warp sort of. Like you can't focus on the road, but everything's dialed in. I feel like I can drive it. I don't know if that's a terrible explanation, but as I say, some cars they just feel a bit crazy. But I think where everything's just so well built, the handling is unreal. And it's this is a four-wheel drive Porsche turbo. But I think at the time when the GT3 came out, like this was actually producing faster lap times on the track.
Yeah.
It's
If
all
I
the
take
equivalent.
Yeah. If I take you around the track at this power level, I can bet you it will do.
Big fucking problem.
Yeah,
Well,
100%.
And the gearbox is on point. Look at that, third, second. Wow, bro, you've got an absolute
Massive.
weapon, man. Porsche turbo, man. What do I say, innit? Mate, the way that it shuffles power through first. Like, is there a stage that these cars break drive shafts or anything, or?
I don't know really. There's only one way to find out. So you go.
Okay, I didn't know I had to change it.
Yeah.
Bro, this is mad. Look at the turning. Fuck it. I can't believe how responsive the throttle is.
Yeah.
And your hybrid, you know, normally when you go a bit larger with these turbos.
Yeah.
I know you're not big turbos, but this is like a game driving this.
I'm just happy it's my car. Because I'm driving it home and it's so lovely. There you go. There you go.
Sick. I can't fault the handling one bit. I've got a little light flashing to my right hand. Nothing's touching this, bro.
Yeah?
Bro, I just need to get out of the car, man. Let's give it another launch.
Throw up on that, yeah.
Look at that, you just like nothing.
Yeah,
no
look at the
overheating,
temps.
just no
Temps are
funny
white,
smells.
everything's white, not
Ranch
better.
sauce, isn't it?
Red sauce, let's go. Whoa, there we go.
You see it?
There we go.
What am I trying to tell you? What am I trying to tell you? Look at that.
That was in 4th gear.
Did it go up to 4?
Yeah, it was in 4th gear. Can you imagine?
Fucking
Yeah,
hell,
yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Man was nearly in debt. Fucking. Yeah, no,
Trying to be
I'm
careful.
always a little cautious, man.
Yeah.
I mean, like, I'm fully aware of how awesome these cars are, but considering the mods, like, it still drives like a stock Porsche, man. Look at
Yeah.
that. Rolls off the clutch, nice.
Yeah.
The throttle's still nice and responsive. I'm not seeing any form of lag.
Yeah.
There's no dodgy gear shifts.
No.
Look, on point. Doesn't feel too powerful for the chassis. It's still
It's not like
harnessing
it's
it.
putting a lot of load on the car,
Nah,
you know?
not at
Like,
all. But then you've got the KWs as well,
Yeah,
like you say.
yeah.
And then look, you can have a boot, guys, and then you can just chill like this now, just
That's
drive
it.
home, like you said. And as you say, on race fuel, you're doing like 3.7, 3.8.
that's the best I did,
200.
379, yeah.
Like, what more do you need? Like, you know, like some cars, guys, in these kind of wet conditions, the cars feel a bit floaty. Like this feels proper dug into the ground. And we're running semi-slicks on the rear. No, man. That was almost like there was no dip in the revs into third. So yeah, Farhan, bro, yeah, we need to
Thank you,
we
Ricky.
need to leave it as that, man, because I'm
Thank you,
having a
Ricky.
bit too much fun here. A bit too much fun.
No, I must say I loved it, man.
But yeah, anywhere people can find you, you got any social media?
Yeah,
anyone you want to shout out?
So yeah, shout out to Rent Studios, Ray,
Yeah.
for going out and about, out of their way to getting this ready, getting a sick setup. I love it, absolutely.
Yeah.
And I can see you loved it as well.
Oh, bro,
Yeah.
10 out of 10, man.
And my
Love it.
socials, who is FYP?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is FYP. Yeah. Shout out to
cool.
LLF.
No, love, bro. I appreciate you
Cheers.
coming on.
Cheers.
And definitely, man, any track days, any other cars, let me know, man.
Definitely.
I'll make sure to leave your links in the description.
Sure.
And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're watching and you've got something sick, you want to do a night feature, day feature, let me know, man. I'm back on, trying to smash out these videos. So yeah, I'm out, people.